Hi guys, it's Mr. Anderson. So I've started to try to grade your posters, but I've reached a problem. And the problem is most of your videos are private. So the first thing you're going to do, you need to go to your little icon of your face and go to your, or it's not your face or whatever you have there, and go to your channel. All right? From your channel, you should have your video of your elevator pitch. You'll notice there's this little pencil that says Info and Settings. Press that Info and Settings, and it should take you to this page right here. Once you are there, you need to go to this box, and most likely yours says Private right now, so you need to switch that to Public and save your changes. Once you save your changes, you should be all good, and you will be able to get a grade for your poster. If you do not do this, you're going to get a below basic, and you're going to have to redo it anyway. So get it done. All right. Thanks.